Understand this. What happens is when you get in front of people on a repeated basis, then calls is one of them, and that is why you would be able to get those results. Now what happens is, listen to me, when you call an individual and when you interact with them, a personal interaction happens, a direct communication source, 100% Suyash. Also what happens is you are able to completely understand what is it that the other person has on his or her mind, how is it that the other person is responding to your interaction, what is preventing them from taking that action. And that is exactly what we need to do, and that is exactly what we need to exactly get in front of people and talk to them again and again. And therefore my team does it. We get in front of people, we call them repeatedly, because many a times, you are just one phone call away, you are just one message away, you are just one mail away, you are just one WhatsApp status away from getting that sale. But what's important is that you need to get in front of people and you ensure that you are interacting with people. Now some people might not take your call, it does not matter. It's always about a little bit of percentage. A few people who are going to convert, who are going to be converted. अभी पता है प्रॉब्लम क्या होती है, आप लोगों को अगर कुछ लोग मना कर देते हैं ना, आप लोगों के अंदर से कॉन्फिडेंस कम हो जाता है. अभी मैं आपको एक बात बताने वाला हूँ जिससे कि आपको बहुत ज्यादा कॉन्फिडेंस मिलने वाला है, which is going to make you really really happy and confident. Okay, listen to me very carefully right now. We have registered 2.5 lakh people till now. How many people have we registered? 2.5 lakh people for the free communication mastery webinar. Out of 2.5 lakh people, 7,500 people have enrolled. 7,500 people have enrolled. That means a conversion ratio of 3% to the people who have registered till now. And if you still look at it, it is really powerful, because we have been rejected by 97% people. We have been rejected by 97% people, despite having more than a million people follower base, despite giving them the amazing product, despite getting in front of them again and again, despite following up on all the fronts, despite doing all these work, we have still been rejected by 97% people. But from the people who have become a part of our community, from everything put together, from the events, from the work that we are doing, from communication mastery, the total revenue that has been generated, it is well over 6.5 to 7 crore rupees. 6.5 to 7 crore rupees. So if even after being rejected from 97% people to a work that we are doing that started just 2 years back, somebody is saying, why will I feel demotivated? Brother, we are generating a revenue of about 7 crore rupees from this venture, which is just 2 years old. And this year we are going to double the revenue that we have generated in the past 2 years. Next year we are again going to double the revenue. So even if you are being rejected by so many people, you will still win, provided you are actually getting in front of people repeatedly. That's the thing. And the second thing is, I know that people are not going to take that action. You look at your own self, you look at your own surroundings, you tell me how many people are successful. You tell me how many people are doing that work. Tell me. You tell me how many people are living a luxury life. How many people are living a satisfied life? Very few people. So very few people want to become successful, and we are only focusing on getting those people who actually will become a part of our community so that we can help them get those results going for them. And therefore, I am so happy that out of 15,000 people, we have about how many? 25, 20, about 28% people who attend the sessions here live, despite the fact that people might be occupied, might be doing something or the other. This is exactly what you need to understand. Everybody should enroll for communication mastery. I know it. The amount of content that we give everybody, irrespective of whichever domain, they need to be a part of it. But some people still don't do it, and it hardly matters. And the second thing, the 97% people who have not yet enrolled, do you think that they are not going to enroll in the future? Of course they would. Once the name increases, once the results come, once more opportunity, once we again get in front of them, they will then become a part of it. So don't worry. That means that they have not yet enrolled till now, but they will enroll in the future, provided you are following up upon them. That's the thing. And when you follow up upon people on a repeated basis, then you would be able to get those results and opportunities going for you. And making those calls is an effective way of getting in front of people. So I believe now, when you see my rejection ratio, you would be like, Rahul, I would make the call. I would get in front of people repeatedly. And if somebody says to you, sir, मेरा 90% का conversion ratio है, मैं इतना बड़ा sales guru हूँ कि मैं 90% जितने भी लोग मुझे जानते हैं उसमें से 90% लोग मुझसे खरीद लेते हैं, वो लोग आपको झूठ बोल रहे हैं. सिंपल सी बात है. अंडरस्टैंड. एंड यू पीपल फॉल फॉर दीज शॉर्ट टर्म थिंग्स की वजह से रिजल्ट्स नहीं आते हैं. लॉन्ग टर्म पर्सपेक्टिव के संग ही काम होना होता है. आप सोच के देखो ना, 90% लोग, 85%, 80% लोग कैसे काम कर सकते हो? 80% लोग कैसे एनरोल कर सकते हैं? 80% तो हमारी कंट्री में लोग भी नहीं होंगे यार, जो कि इतने सक्षम भी होंगे कि इस तरीके की चीजें कर सके, सीख सके, एनरोल कर सके. समझ रहे हो? तो आपको समझना पड़ेगा कि इस वजह से आपके पास वो रिजल्ट्स नहीं आ पा रहे हैं. काफी जगह पे आपकी गलती है, काफी जगह पे दूसरे लोगों की गलती है. But what is important is that you need to get in front of people so that you can find out those people who take actions. And you need to understand some people will be early action takers, some people will take time. Now you got to choose कि आपको किसके पास कनेक्ट करना है. ये आपके पास बहुत ज्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट चीज है. And that's the most important thing. All right. I have spoken a lot on this slide. I have also given you a lot of examples. That is what is important, and that is exactly what you got to do for your own self. Please do it. All right. The task for you is make a video and write notes on the importance of calls during follow-up. Importance of calls during follow-up.